Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to show you how to make a Frito pie. Some people call it chili pie, but I always heard it called Frito. You make it with Fritos, chili, cheese, onions. Of course, onions are optional. You can put jalapenos in it if you like. That's optional. I'm not a jalapeno fan, so there won't be any in this one. So we'll show you all the ingredients here. We'll start making it. Okay, first thing you're going to need is a can of chili. Now, chili comes in various different ways. You can get it with or without beans. This is without beans. I'm not a big fan of beans in my chili, so you can get it in mild, or you can get it all the way up to burn your tongue if you'd like it, but I'm more into the mild. You're going to need some Fritos. Bag of Fritos. We're going to use a small bag too. We're going to show you like 3 different ways of doing this. Onions. I've chopped up some onions here. These are optional. If you don't like onions, well, don't put it in there. It's okay. Cheese. You got to have shredded cheese. You can shred your own, or you can buy it in a bag like this. It's already shredded. So I think we're going to start putting it together. I'm getting hungry for lunch here, so let's do this. Okay, now you can heat this chili either in a pan on the stove or in a microwave. I'm going to use the microwave because we're not cooking it, we're just warming it up, so just be sure it's warm, okay? In a microwavable bowl. You don't want to ruin any bowls. A lot of chili there. Of course, the more people you are, the more cans you're going to have, so there's our chili. We're going to go put it in the microwave now. Okay, this first way of making this is if you're making one for yourself or maybe a party. Use a package of Fritos like you'd put in your lunch, okay? Cut it open right here. Just like that. Then you can open the edges up like this. Alright, like that. Now you've got it open, see there? So what we're going to do now is put some chili in it. One, two, three. Quite a few Fritos in here, so there we go. Onions. Here's your onions. Now these are optional. You don't have to put these in there if you don't want to. I'm going to put some in. I like onions. Okay. Cheese. Here is your grated cheese. Now this is Colby Jack. You can use any can you want here. I'm a big cheese fan, so I'm going to put a lot of it in there. Okay. There we go. There's my first one. All I need is my spoon. Right here, give me a little bite of this. That is good. There's your first way to make it. Here's the second way to do it. Got another bag of Fritos like you'd use in your lunch here. What we're going to do is clip the top off here, like so. Maybe you've got young kids and stuff. You don't want them spilling it all over everything, so we're just going to pour some chili down in there, like that. Alright, there we go. Once again, onions. Onions are optional. You don't have to put any in there if you don't want to, so here's my onions. Cheese. You got to have cheese in there. Okay, here's my cheese. I'm a little messy with this cheese, aren't I? Alright, now what you can do here is you can grab a hold of the top, close it, check it up, get it all mixed up in there like that. Get your spoon out. Let's get us a bite of this. Okay. That is good. That's your second way. Here's way number 3. Say you're gonna fix this for dinner tonight for your whole family. You need a big bag. Okay? So open up this big bag, like so. Get you a bowl. Now I'm using disposable stuff here. That's up to you if you don't want to. Pour what you want into there, the bag, into the bowl there. Get your chili. Pour your chili on. Put as much as you want on there. It's up to you. That looks good right there, okay? Now, once again, I'm an onion fan. Onions are optional. Okay. Onions. Gotta have cheese. Now you can use any kind of cheese you want. You can shred your own or buy the stuff that's already shredded. I like it shredded like that. So you see there? There's the bowl. We're going to get us a bite of this one. Okay. That is good. Well, I'm a big fan of this Frito pie. Some people call it chili pie. Call it what you want. It's Fritos, chili, onions, and cheese. Now here's a little bonus added. Say you've finished all your Frito pie and you still got chili left like this. I do, see. I'm going to show you what to do with it. Get you some crackers out. Okay. What you want to do is crumble up your crackers. Just like that. Put as many as you want, depending on how much chili you got. Put you some chili over in it. You need enough chili to coat all the crackers here. So what we're going to do now is stir it up. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Does look good, doesn't it? You can add a little onions again, optional, it's up to you. But you gotta have cheese. Gotta have the cheese in it. Alright, there we go. Yeah, there we go. I think we're ready to go now. Now this is chili and crackers. Here is the chili and crackers. That's one of my favorites. Look at that. Oh wow. That is good. Tell you something else that goes along with this real good is a hunk of cheese, the kind you cut yourself. Oh yeah. Okay, well there's your 3 ways plus a little bonus of the crackers on how to make Frito pie. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you can, please help support this channel. There's ways in the description below. Check it out. Go check out our playlist under Taste Test. We got a lot more videos in there. Alright, well, see you next time. Well, I got more of this to go. I think I'm going to have to sit here and eat this. This is my lunch. That is good. Well, it ran out. Tough job, but somebody had to do it. Okay, see you next time.